This is the money that pay for the carpet. Ay, Isabel! Don't! I'm just only cleaning that. The guy is cleaning the carpet and then you playing in there. My God.
Sorry.
Oh, pay that guy. Come on.
Oh, Isabella, you're so rich. You gonna pay me? Thank you.
It's look like going rain. It put this inside.
Rain, just take a little bit inside.
Yeah, I will put it in here.
Right also.
Thank you very much. You do the good job.
Thanks so much. Normally, if someone comes, not doing like this,
Yeah, I know.
because normally when we go to the house, the boss asks to should be remove everything and yeah,
Yeah, and then
and don't vacuum the tiles, only the carpet. But I
yeah.
never go there because I'm doing.
Thank you very
The
much.
stain don't take off normal times.
Right?
That's why this is twice that I call you, but the other guy, that's the first that clean, and then
My dad.
so he had a number on my phone,
Yeah.
so I save it. That's Hopper's Crossing before,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I said
Yes,
Wednesday.
Lochana. Yeah, he
Yeah.
also good. He and me only working here.
Ah,
And he also good person.
yeah. I think he's a truck driver, truck trailer driver. I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
the one.
He has a van, like a trailer, the moving truck.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
he has a moving truck
He has
also.
moving van,
Oh,
moving van, big one, without seats. Like this, yes.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I thought only just doing this and then a truck trailer driver. That's all.
No, he has a moving van.
That looks like maybe
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's beautiful. Is your favorite color is pink?
Yeah, and also something. The color princess.
Is this yours, Bean?
Huh? Yeah. Hi, what you are doing, you two?
I mixed them.
You're making mess.
My
Favorite color? Which color is your favorite color?
and pink is for the princesses and she's here.
Stop making mess. Put it back. Put it back.
That's it. I want you. This is put this here, put this here, put this here, this here,
I have shoes there, oh. Remove the shoes. Put it back where it was. So he does a lot, but the stains not come so too bad. Lots of stain. Remove the stain. Some of stain is not removed. We'll contact you again.
I cry again.
We contact you again once the need to clean the carpet. I will message you again once that they clean the carpet again.
Yeah, which carpet?
I mean next time the carpet.
Yeah,
Yeah.
next time, definitely.
Yeah.
Me or the other guy will come.
Mm.
Oh, miss you guys. Okay.
Say
Thank you so
bye-bye.
much.
Thank you.
Bye. Knuckles. Knuckles.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
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 Yeah.
I can you close the screen
Ah.
because I can't.
What?
Bye. Look.
Oh my god.
Thank you very much.
Bye, thanks.
Bye.
You guys. Bye.
Bye. Come on.
Mm.
No, that guy can reach it.
Mm.
That guy can reach it. And now see this is empty.
Mm. Isabel, can you stop doing that again, Isabel? That is staying in the floor, Isabel. Hi. Pick up the shoes, put it back. Mm. Hi, that's yucky. Put in the sink. It's yucky.